A very good morning to all of you. This is our class M.Sc final year, paper 7th B, unit with discussion on photochemistry. Students, we discussing some reactivity. We discussed already photo oxidation, photo reduction, and photochemical aromatic substitution. Today we discuss on photochemical fragmentation. Fragmentation, that is the fragment of molecules, that is the divide in two parts, two or more parts. A molecule divides in one or two or more parts, known as the fragmentation. For photochemical fragmentation to occur, energy of irradiating radiation should be higher than required for bond under considerations to cleave. Photofragmentation are characteristic reaction of certain unsaturated organic compounds as few inorganic compounds, like that is the halogen. Like as example, discuss on first example, that is the peroxide. You see here is the peroxide, that is the fragmentation of these, that is the one electrons is here and one is here, that is the two fragmented ion. And second is also example of nitrile. You see that this bond is breaking, that is the homogeneous, one electron on nitrogen and second electron on oxygen, that is the RO and NO. Photochemical fragmentation, reaction of carbonyl compounds and aliphatic diazo compounds, are important from the point of view that they do not occur thermally. Photolysis of carbonyl compounds. This is the Norris type first reaction, that is the Norris type second reaction. You know that this is the organic type, organic chemistry part of this photochemistry. This is a general topic, Norris type and first and Norris type second reaction. That is first we discuss on Norris type first reaction. Photofragmentation, that is the photolysis of carbonyl compounds, occur in two ways which are formed in Norris type first and Norris type second processes. At first we discuss on Norris type first process. In this process, carbon-carbon bond adjust to carbonyl group is cleaved. Here you see that easily, this is the generally example of carbonyl compounds, that is the ketone. R is the R, that is the alkyl group, but R dash is the different alkyl group in presence of H nu, and these are fragment in two parts, that is the RCO and R dash. Here you find that two free radical, that is the carbon and alkyl free radical. The free radical produced in Norris type first fragments may undergoes one or more of following three reactions. What is the reaction? Is the disproportion of ketone, that is the ketone reaction with presence of H nu, that is the bond is fragment, that is the R and C. One electrons moving to alkyl group, one is moving to carbon group, that is two free radical. And after that prepare a ketenes, that is the R2CO, this is the ketene and an alkane. This is the alkane synthesis also. In the second type of this, photolysis may be followed by decarbonylation and then dimerization and disproportionation. This is the also carbonyl compounds. This is the CH2CO. Here is CO. You saw that the carbon and oxygen, and here bond is carbon between two carbon. Between two carbon, this is the bond. That is the bond is break by homolysis fission by the H nu prepare two free radical. Here is carbonyl free radical, here is alkyl free radical. And next, this is the carbonyl free radical also dissociate in a new radical, that is the alkyl radical and CO. This is the fragmentation of this bond. Fragmentation of this bond to prepare this free radical and carbon monoxide. That is two free radicals are prepare a simple alkane or a alkene also. Now we discuss on third type of the reaction. Free radical formed by photolysis may undergo intermolecular hydrogen atom abstraction. Here you see that already carbonyl compounds by the effect of the H nu and prepare of two free radical bond is break of this bond is break by homolysis fission, that is free radical 1 and free radical 1. This type of the free radicals you see here, that is the this type free radical and this type free radicals are mixed each other into from this aldehyde compound and alkane. This is the Norris type first reaction. Now we discuss on Norris type second process. Carbonyl compounds containing gamma hydrogen undergo intramolecular hydrogen abstraction and diradical are formed during Norris type second process. Diradical formed undergoes first is the further fragmentation, second is the ring closure. Two phenomena in this, first is the fragmentation and second is the ring closure. But one condition is that compounds having gamma hydrogen atom. Here you see that compound in this alpha, beta and gamma. This is the gamma hydrogen atom. These hydrogens are gamma hydrogen atom. This is the carbonyl compound, aldehyde, by the effect of H nu, and bond is fission by homolytic fission. Bond fission is C double bond O. Homolytic, that is the 1 electrons are distribution carbon to oxygen. Compounds having this structure, oxygen free radical and carbon free radical. After that, these free radicals are prepare of this, that is the hydrogens are free from here, because this is the hydrogen is a gamma hydrogen, so electrons are bonding hydrogen electrons, one electrons here and one electron here, that hydrogen having one electrons and going with oxygen, that is the OH prepare, and free radicals are shifted to carbon. Free radical shifted to oxygen from to carbon from oxygen. But until no ring closure, we know that second part of the Norris type reaction is ring closure. Now this is the compound. You see that prepare of this and this. After that, compound prepare of a hydroxyl organic compound. Product formed during Norris type second process depend upon substitution on carbon adjacent carbonyl group. However, among cyclic ketones, smaller cyclic ketones, so Norris type first process, and larger ring cyclic ketones undergoes crystallization through Norris type second process. This is the reaction. This is the reaction is Norris type second. You see that the smaller ring ketone and react with H nu to prepare two free radical. After that, three types of the reaction. First is prepare is the above compounds, that is the ketene. Second is the biradical and cycloalkane, and third is the aldehyde also. Unsaturated aldehyde. After that, second type of the example of this, that large ring cyclic compound, that is the large ring, that is the also ketone compound, and this is the cyclic compound by the effect of H nu to prepare this compound. After that, free radical, two free radical after fragmentation of one bond by the homolytic fission, and to form this compound, one part is this the, and second one part is this, and three part is this. Okay, dear students, please prepare your notes by the help of the PDF. This is our online studies. We wish to hope for the best for the offline studies as soon as possible, but in that time, according to state government, we have to teach by the help of internet, YouTube, WhatsApp, and so on. This is the pandemic time. Dear students, prepare your notes by the help of PDF and complete your assignment by the learning capacity. Hope for the best in new year. We are in our college, in our practical lab, in our classroom. Hope for the best. So please prepare your notes and continuously study on your home. But health is wealth, because good health having good mind. Thank you so much.